This is a quick video to help you to see how Studyclix can fit into your online teaching and learning. So there's a few key components of online learning. When we're supporting students who learn online, we want to do things like communicate to them what needs to be done and when it needs to be done by. We need to present new content, that could be live or pre-recorded, assess student performance, provide feedback, of course, track student progress over time, support students to help themselves, and establish and maintain communication with students. Studyclix can help us to do a few of these things. In terms of presenting new content, live or pre-recorded, we have our videos and notes, as you can see here. In terms of assessing student performance and providing feedback, well, this is one of the great strengths of Studyclix, and we can do this in two ways. First is Exam Builder, and then we also have quizzes. And in terms of supporting students to help themselves, we have the questions by topic, where students can go in, select a topic or a subtopic that they're keen to hone in on, and really focus their studies. So that's how Studyclix can fit into your online teaching and learning.